Well, it is Thursday, and we're doing Fairy Garden Thursday 2023. It's an open collab. Anyone can join in, and you can do any kind of fairy garden you want and any size you want. This week it's been so hot, and we've had so many things going on. I haven't had a chance to put a new fairy garden together, so I'm doing a fairy garden slideshow of my fairy garden. I am going to start a new project starting next week, and I'll be sharing it from the beginning to the end. The mess it is, and building it up into making it look beautiful again. I have 3 big fairy projects for the next 3 months. So you will have lots of new fairy gardens to see. So let's just see a nice little slideshow of some of my fairy gardens that I have already put together and made and photographed. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Thank you all for joining in on this wonderful adventure and building our fairy gardens up and getting our fairy garden group bigger and stronger every day. Thank you to all the new ones that have just joined our fairy garden family. We are so happy to have you. It's been wonderful watching our Fairy Garden Thursday getting bigger every month. Oh my gosh, so excited. Can't wait to see what we'll have by next year. Well, let's go see what Grandma did this week. And here is my awesome co-hostess. She always joins in every Thursday, and she does an awesome job and puts beautiful, beautiful videos together. And she does a lot of fairy gardens and builds them from the beginning to the end. And she has some wonderful videos up. Please go check them out. Don't forget, Fairy Garden Thursday. We do it every Thursday. And go see what she did last week. She did concert in the park. It has really inspired me to try to recreate something similar to this on mine. So we may do it the next couple of weeks. And I will do a concert in the park also. Go check her out. And here is my second co-hostess growing on Vancouver Island. I really, really do love this channel, and she is just awesome. Yesterday, she shared with us eating and preparing sunflowers. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I have any sunflowers that are at the right time to do this recipe, but I can tell you I'm definitely doing it next year. I cannot wait to try it. Now, I may already have one out there, and if I do, I'll try doing it in the next week or so, but if not, next year. Look forward to eating sunflowers on my channel. Sounds like an exciting thing to do. She does beautiful fairy gardens, as you can see here, and she always inspires me, and she's just a wonderful creator. Go check out her fairy gardens, her gardening videos, and you're going to love her channel.